We will enhance support for the justice, law and order sector by recruiting additional policemen, prison officers, national government administrative officers, officers for the Office of the Attorney General, officers for the Office of the EACC, officers for the Office of the ODP, Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, and making sure that we have all arms to deal with the challenge of corruption and impunity. I am very clear in my mind that we have what it takes to take Kenya to the next level. We have the requisite resources, if properly applied, if properly used with integrity, to move our country to the next level. What we witness every time, in some instances, corruption is budgeted into our budget cycle. People budget things that they know will not go to the people of Kenya. The tragedy that we have is that even those who go and challenge government policy in our courts, you cannot believe it, that after they have obtained stays and they have obtained injunctions against government policy, whether it is housing, whether it is our universal health coverage plan, they have the audacity, they have the temerity to come and look for government officials and tell them, if you talk to us nicely, we are going to remove the injunction. I mean, what level of impunity is that? And that is why it is our commitment that we need to enhance the Office of the Attorney General, Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, Office of the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Authority, and the DCI, to make sure that we have the requisite capacities to protect the resources and the finances of the people of Kenya.